Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Business Services. Question number 1. DTH services are provided by _ Option A. Banks. Option B. Transport companies. Option C. Cellular companies. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. Cellular companies. Banks and transport companies do not provide any DTH services. Airtel is the cellular company which provides DTH services. Question number 2. The key advantage of public warehousing is Option A. None of the above. Option B. Dealer relationship. Option C. Flexibility. Option D. Control. The correct answer is Option C. Flexibility. Since the birth of the industry over a decade ago, flexibility of resources, such as space, labor, and equipment, has been one of the primary advantages of public warehousing. With the current trend toward reducing inventories, there is a constant demand for variable space, labor, and equipment required to support the business during peak season or large growth cycles. Given adequate lead time, public warehouses are able to offer manufacturers total flexibility to either increase or decrease their space, equipment, and human resources requirements. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a function of insurance? Option A. Assistant capital formation. Option B. Lending of funds. Option C. Risk sharing. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is Option B. Lending of funds. Insurance is an arrangement by which a company or the state undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for payment of a specified premium. Hence it includes risk sharing, and with passage of time it has become a good source of capital formation as well. Lending of money is giving money as a loan for interest for fixed period of time and return is confirmed and no risk cover is involved. But in insurance the insured has to pay annual premium to insurer company for risk cover and hence it does not include any lending of money. Question number 4. Which of the following is not applicable in life insurance contract? Option A. Indemnity contract. Option B. Unilateral contract. Option C. Conditional contract. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is Option A. Indemnity contract. Life insurance is a contract between an insured and an insurer, where the insurer promises to pay a designated beneficiary a sum of money in exchange for a premium upon the death of an insured person, while indemnity contract is compensation for damages or loss. Indemnity in the legal sense may also refer to an exemption from liability for damages. A life insurance contract does not resemble a contract of indemnity because the insurer does not undertake to indemnify the assured for any loss on maturity or death of the assured but promises to pay sum assured in that event. Question number 5. CWC stands for _ Option A. Central Warehousing Commission. Option B. Central Water Corporation. Option C. Central Water Commission. Option D. Central Warehousing Corporation. The correct answer is Option A. Central Warehousing Commission. CWC stands for Central Warehousing Commission. It is a premier warehousing agency in India, established during 1957 to provide logistics support to the agricultural sector and is one of the biggest public warehouse operators in the country, offering logistics services to a diverse group of clients. Question number 6. Which of the following is covered under life assurance policy? Option A. Cargo insurance. Option B. Declaration policy. Option C. Act only. Option D. Money back policy. The correct answer is Option D. Money back policy. A money back policy is a more complex life insurance policy than a term plan or a standard life insurance. A normal term plan or standard life insurance covers death risk and assures to pay sum to the insured party on maturity. But a money back policy provides additionally certain amounts called survival benefits in addition to the sum assured and a bonus from the insurance company based on its performance. Question number 7. In which year Children's Money Back Plan was introduced? Option A. 1988. Option B. 1989. Option C. 1985. Option D. 1995. The correct answer is Option D. 1995. Children money back plans are designed to meet the future goals of a child like higher education, marriage expenses. It was introduced in 1995 with the purpose of development of children. Question number 8. In which year Insurance Act was amended in India? Option A. 1945. Option B. 1938. Option C. 1940. Option D. 1928. The correct answer is Option B. 1938. The Insurance Act, 1938 is a law originally passed in 1938 in British India to regulate the insurance sector. It provides the broad legal framework within which the industry operates. Question number 9. What is the minimum period of life assurance? Option A. 10 years. Option B. 15 years or more. Option C. 5 years. Option D. More than 1 year. The correct answer is Option D. More than 1 year. The minimum period for term policy is 1 year and more. The death benefit of the policy is paid only if the insured dies during that period. If the insured lives beyond the term period, no death benefit is paid. Typically, there are no cash values or loan values for term life insurance. Question number 10. From the following, which of this is covered under marine insurance? Option A. Endowment policy. Option B. Act only. Option C. Whole life policy. Option D. Liability insurance. The correct answer is Option D. Liability insurance. Liability insurance is only responsible for the other party's losses. Your person and your property are unprotected, but the insurance protects you from being held responsible for the other party's damages. Question number 11. From the following, which of this is covered under fire insurance? Option A. Collective policy. Option B. Voyage policy. Option C. Term policy. Option D. Floating. The correct answer is Option D. Floating. Floating policy is a policy which covers loss by fire caused to property belonging to the same person but located at different places under a single sum and for one premium. Such a policy might cover goods lying in two warehouses at two different locations. This policy is always subject to average clause. Question number 12. From the following, which of this is covered under burglary insurance? Option A. Liability insurance. Option B. Jewelry and valuables. Option C. Open cover policy. Option D. Freight insurance. The correct answer is Option B. Jewelry and valuables. Burglary insurance is a policy that covers losses resulting from a burglary. Burglary is the unlawful taking of property from within premises, entry to which has been obtained by force. Usually jewelry and other valuable items like cash etc. are subject to burglary and hence are covered under burglary insurance. Question number 13. In which year crop insurance scheme was introduced in India? Option A. 1948 to 1949. Option B. 1985 to 1986. Option C. 1978 to 79. Option D. 1990 to 1991. The correct answer is Option B. 1985 to 1986. Shri Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Minister of Finance, introduced crop insurance in Budget 1985 to 1986. Question number 14. Bankers are not only dealers of money but also leaders in Option A. Service development. Option B. Industry development. Option C. Economic development. Option D. Trade development. The correct answer is Option C. Economic development. Commercial banks are considered not merely as dealers in money but also the leaders in economic development. It helps in accelerating capital formation, encouragement of industry, development of agriculture, socio-economic values etc. Question number 15. What is e-banking? Option A. Transferring money. Option B. Checking accounts. Option C. Applying loan. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is Option D. All of them. E-banking refers to the use of electronic medium for conducting various banking operations such as transferring money, checking accounts, applying for loan. These services are provided by commercial banks to make it easy for their accountable to conduct banking transaction online from anywhere and at any time. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.